mag-alamanan kung nagsinungaling, DNR o Masungi. Kung gusto mo, magpaano pa tayo, lie detector test,
Where?
polygraph test, para malaman kung sino sinungaling. Kayo po, Madam,
But,
negosyante po kayo, Madam Sponsor.
But it
Would you do
doesn't
that?
solve the legal problem of Masungi.
I'm not talking about Madam Sponsor, I'm not talking about the legal problem.
But in the end, you have to be legally correct.
I know,
You are a businessman. Everything should be legally correct.
well, some shrewd businessman may be. Yung mga tusong businessman may be.
But there, the land is a protected area owned by the government. It cannot be given to any private entity.
How about a Project Transform? Project Transform would benefit from the knowledge and experience of Masungi already has.
Yeah.
Kung tutuusin.
But they
They should
cannot
have been
own the
invited.
property.
I know po, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President. Kasi yung experience ng Masungi, pwede pong magamit ng Project Transform. Mapapakinabangan po ng Project Transform itong experience at itong magandang records ng Masungi. Kayo po, Madam, negosyante po kayo, Madam Sponsor.
But it
Would you do
doesn't
that?
solve the legal problem of Masungi.
I'm not talking about Madam Sponsor, I'm not talking about the legal problem.
But in the end, you have to be legally correct.
I know,
You are a businessman. Everything should be legally correct.
well, some shrewd businessman may be. Yung mga tusong businessman may be.
Hindi. Kasi
Pero pag
yan
hindi
daw,
tusong negosyante,
based on
hindi.
the history of Masungi, they were granted that to build socialized housing during the old times. You have to go back to the history. They did not build socialized housing. They built what do you call this? A resort. And that is not the original intention of the Masungi Geo Reserve. Oo. So, in fairness to our government officials, they cannot allow something illegal because they will answer for it in the future.
So ito pong mga member ng Project Transforms, ito po ay mga violators. So aren't they considered as illegal?
Inimbita daw nila, hindi nagpunta.
Hindi po inimbita ang Masungi? No, Masungi wasn't invited. We talked to Masungi. Would you like us to bring Masungi here? Or even make a phone call? Tawagan niyo Masungi. Would somebody call Masungi? Right here, right now. Mag-alamanan kung nagsinungaling, DNR o Masungi. Kung gusto mo, magpaano pa tayo, lie detector test,
Where?
polygraph test, para malaman kung sino sinungaling.
Of the Masungi Rock.
Meron ba kayong pinadalang sulat?
The Masungi Rock Management Council was invited and Masungi Geo Reserve is part of it.
Well, show us proof, like letter of invitation. Kasi siyempre, pag in-invite sila, hindi naman verbal lang yan. Yan po'y pinapadalan sila ng sulat. Nasaan po yung sulat na they were officially invited, not just verbally? Can you show us?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Invitation natin sa council will can provide in hand.
We will provide you the invitation to the council of which Masungi Geo Reserve is a member.
No, what I'm saying is a letter of invitation which
Yes,
would
they're looking for
indicate
it.
that they were officially invited. Without that letter, parang hearsay lang, na-invite kahit na hindi. At siyempre, sabihin ng Masungi, we weren't invited. At sasabihin po ng DNR, yes, you were invited. So, paano natin malaman kung sino nagsabing totoo o hindi? Dapat may invitation letter and then we receive.
Mr. Tulfo, Senator Tulfo, they have a copy of the invitation.
we see that?
Forward it to you.
Okay? That's good enough.
Hindi lang nila dala ngayon, but they will forward it to you.
Now, moving on. Next time naman kasi, kayo dyan sa DNR, pag meron kayong mga project Gawin nyo naman malinis po yung mga project ninyo. Gawin nyo naman pong malinis po yung mga intent ninyo kapag kayo po yung nagsibak ng mga grupo. Ayos nyo naman po. Huwag naman yung parang lokohan para sa akin. I'm sorry for the word. Kasi para sa akin, Masungi should have been invited. Tingnan na natin itong award, mga award na natanggap nila. Isn't this enough? Aren't these enough? These awards? International awards ito. Hindi yung award lang na hausyaw na dito lang gawa-gawa ng kung sino-sinong grupo. These are international awards, well-known. Groups.
They should be included, but in the end, you cannot give a land owned by the government to a private.
I'm no longer, Mr. President, Madam Sponsor, I'm no longer questioning that.
Yeah.
Pass na tayo dyan. Ang sa akin lang, yeah, sabi ko nga, they might...
They will give you the invitation. It's just that it's not with them now, but they will send you.
And then on top of that, babalik ulit tayo na sana hindi nila in-invite yung dalawang sinuspend nila yung permit. Now, sabi nyo kanina, you did mention na yun ay isang gathering ng disciplinary something. Can you repeat again? It's a gathering of disciplinary...
Multi-stakeholder collaboration to rehabilitate the area together with LGU. The stakeholders plan and identified projects to be implemented.
Na-mention niyo po kanina, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, yung word disciplinary. Can you mention that again?
Ito, transdisciplinary approach towards natural resources conservation and resilience through multi-stakeholder
Exactly.
collaboration.
Exactly. Dinisiplina nyo itong dalawang kumpanya itong dalawang tao dahil violator sila and yet you invited them.
Baka mahilig mag-attend.
I'm sorry, Madam Speaker.
Meron kasing mahilig mag-attend. Merong ibang hindi mahilig mag-attend.
Ayun, sino po yung mahilig mag-attend?
Siguro itong dalawang to mahilig mag-attend.
Exactly. Thank you. I rest my case. Now, let's move on. Black sand mining. FY muna. Before we proceed to black sand mining. Saan ba yung FY? The DNR issued a memorandum circular or FOI manual na nililist yung exceptions for non-disclosure of information. A data in the course of applying for environmental compliance certificate pursuant to Presidential Decree number 1586 during the lifetime of existing of mining permit results intellectual analysis. So ibig sabihin in short, exempted sa Freedom of Information Act yung pag-provide ng mga mining companies ng mga data or information about the kind of minerals na kanilang minimina, anong klaseng grade ng mga minerals na kanilang minimina, etc. Bakit exempt yun?
But which place?
Sa FOI, yung list of exemption.
What's the question again?
Kasi nga po, pag yung mga NGOs nag-inquire about the violations of certain mining companies, hindi po nagpo-provide ng information ng DNR at ang ginagamit ay yung FOI Act.
Ito yon. The data exempted for disclosure in the FOI is any data in the course of applying for an ECC pursuant to PD number 1586.
Exactly.
This does not include the list of applicants for ECC, provided, however, that such a list of applicants must comply with the Data Privacy Act of 2012.
So yung metallurgical reports, kasama rin po doon sa exception na sa FOI Act. So bakit po ayaw po magbigay ng information ang DNR doon po sa mga gustong
Privacy Act for me.
mag-inquire, especially NGOs, especially mga environmentalists about
The Data Privacy Act of 2012.
exactly, correct. Now, does it involve national security para exempt yung pong anong klaseng minerals, anong grade, yung mga minerals o ore na minimina? National security ho ba yan?
Security. Data privacy. The DNR has the right to control of the protocol.
Is that personal privacy, personal communication?
It's not really about security, national security. It's that the DNR can practice the based on the Data Privacy Act of 2012.
How so?
Not for security.
Why? Bakit nga po? Bakit in-exempt?
Siguro, mag-a-apply ka, may knowledge ka about what can be done in that area, hindi rin maganda na malaman ng iba kasi gagayahin ka na lahat.
Why not? Regalian Doctrine. Have you heard of Regalian Doctrine? Article 12, Section 2. Have you heard of that? Mr. President, Madam Sponsor. Siguro alam po ng mga taga-DNR. Pakibasa po. Meron akong ditong kopya. Siguro meron din kayo. What is Regalian Doctrine? Article 12, Section 2. Pakibasa po. Alam niyo po yan. May mga abogado po kayo dyan.
Ano yun?
Regalian Doctrine.
Pag-regalan daw, all lands of the public domains are owned by the state. All lands of the public.
That's the regalian that. All lands owned by the state.
All lands.
Exactly. Shortcut.
All lands of the public.
So therefore, kung yun ay pag-aari ng state, ng estado, may karapatan ang lahat ng Pilipino na malaman, magkaroon ng impormasyon tungkol sa mga bagay-bagay na kung saan ay may nakikinabang dyan o may nag-explore dyan o mayroong mga humukay dyan para pagkakitaan.
All lands, very significant.
So bakit yan sinama sa exception sa FOI Act?
Trade secrets. For activities nila.
Kaya daw nila hindi binibigay lahat ng data kasi yung mga applicant nila may mga trade secret din and may mga personal data na ayaw nilang malaman ng lahat ng tao.
We need
So they have to
consent, but
they have to get the consent of the applicants kasi hindi nila pwedeng ilabas yung mga important things that they don't want to disclose to the public.
proprietary rights.
If
Like
the gentleman can give the specifics, when, where,
The ECC, Environmental Compliance Certificate. Now, pagkukuha ng ECC, then exempted din yan sa FOI Act na dapat paano malalaman
DCC na post sa
ng taong bayan na compliant ito nag-apply ng ECC. And who are these people applying for ECC?
can the sponsor answer the question?
The data exempted for disclosure in the FOI is any data in the course of applying for an ECC pursuant to PD number 1586. This does not include the list of applicants for ECC, provided, however, that such a list of applicants must comply with the Data Privacy Act of 2012. So, yung list of applicants for ECC, linalabas, but yung information about them is the one na hindi nilalabas.
Information about whom?
About those applying for ECC.
AI is looking very, very good.
Yeah, but how would the people know ito mga nag-apply ng ECC ay ito'y mga taong karapat-dapat na mabigyan ng approval? Paano kung ito'y mga terorista? Paano kung ito'y mga masasamang elemento na nag-apply na pala?
The
And then
document
the public
can
should
be
know.
available during public hearing for review of the general public and comments.
So during public hearings,
Lamang.
binibigay yung pangalan nito? I don't think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Not in, ano.
Yung list ng pangalan ng pampan, anong gagawin.
During the public hearing, they are given, but not in general public. So, if they want to know about the applicants, then they should attend the public hearing.
If they want to know about the applicants, they should attend the public hearings. But
Yeah.
during public hearings, are the names of the applicants being disclosed?
Yes, yes,
all the-
yes.
And all the pertinent information pertaining
And
to
all
the kind of...
Project design, project
the project details during public hearing.
including the kind of minerals that they will be mining, what kind of minerals are there, and the grade of the minerals? Is that
Yes, it's open during public hearing.
but during public hearings, if it's true that's being disclosed, how come pag yung mga NGOs humingi po ng mga information tungkol po sa mga mining
all stakeholders.
activities, sila po hinaharang at hindi po sila binibigyan. That has been the long-standing complaints of some NGOs.
But they are invited to they can attend the public hearing. Nobody is not allowed, is forbidden to attend it's not forbidden to attend the public hearing.
But would it be safe to say that siguro wag na lang po natin i-include kaysa pa naman marami pang proseso, wag natin i-include, wag na natin i-exempt yung pong yung sa FOI Act, exempt yung tungkol sa mga information about mining activities. Yun lang po sa akin. Yun lang po ang ipinarating sa akin ng complaints of some environmentalists. Yun po yung kanilang hinaing.
We can consider po yun, pero
I'm just trying to voice out their complaints,
at least the issues you mentioned to the public.
their sentiments.